Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Cybertruck in emergency response, Liberty County. First, you'll need to acquire the Electric Vehicle Pass, which is essential for unlocking this unique ride. Once you have the pass, head over to the vehicle dealership. The Cybertruck, officially called the Celestial Truckatron, can be purchased for about $179,950 in-game currency. It's a significant investment, but well worth it for its capabilities. Now, let's talk about performance. The Cybertruck truly shines with its acceleration, getting you up to speed incredibly fast. You'll find yourself zipping through Liberty County with ease. It boasts a top speed of around 122 miles per hour, making it one of the quicker electric vehicles available. This speed is perfect for emergency situations or simply cruising efficiently around the map. When it comes to handling, the Cybertruck is quite versatile. It performs exceptionally well off-road, allowing you to tackle diverse landscapes that might challenge other vehicles. You can confidently drive it over curbs and on dirt paths. However, it's important to note that the braking can be a bit slow, so be sure to anticipate your stops, especially at higher speeds, to maintain control. Beyond its performance, the Cybertruck comes with some cool, unique features. It has distinct daytime running lights that add to its futuristic look. You can also interact with the vehicle by opening and closing the tailgate and the bed cover, which is a neat detail. Plus, the spacious truck bed isn't just for show. You can actually store small items and even transport other players, making it quite practical for various roleplay scenarios.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.